Today's transmission is from Antarel, a male individual from the Apunian ET race. I discovered the existence of this race during my research for different ET races for my workshop, Alien Contact. In an online article, a male ET individual by the name of Antarel had a face-to-face contact with Ricardo Gonzalez, and Antarel appeared several more times by appointment only to a handful of other humans, including the author Paulo Harris. When I further looked up for more information about the Apunians, I discovered that this race has many benevolent qualities that truly resonate with me. Here are several of them. They are aware of the higher self over soul. They are masters of transforming negative energy. They are here to assist us in raising our vibration into a higher consciousness. They are beings who have merged their consciousness with their higher self, thus gaining full access into universally awake and aware consciousness. This is the transmission from Antarel when I first communicated with him recently, when I explained my interest in ET races and how I wish to share his messages with others. As always, take only what resonates and leave the rest. Please enjoy.
Do not indulge in anything negative or of low vibration. In this time of transition, focus your energies on things that are of high frequency. Everything that you consume, absorb, and give attention to, foods, liquids, news, emotions, thoughts, habits, ideas. Everything. This is crucial. Create a personal spiritual practice for yourself. For each human it would be different as you are each unique. Make a list of your weaknesses. Release your weaknesses and stop indulging in them and replace them with something of higher vibration. Here's an example. If you have a habit of watching movies that lowers your vibration, view that as a weakness, and eliminate it from your lifestyle. And instead watch movies that inspire and raise your vibration. Be discerning in making choices and decisions in all areas of your life. Choosing to shift consciousness from third to fourth density requires you to make new and conscious choices. It shows that you are determined, and are serious about your quest. It requires one to be conscious and aware of one's consciousness in every single moment. This is how you can and will shift to a higher level of consciousness. This is what it takes. Lack mentality, low self-esteem, fear, lack of self-confidence, doubt, these are all low vibration. Release them all, and reach for a higher vibration consciousness. It won't happen overnight. It requires your utmost dedication to your personal spirituality. Observe how you respond to people, to situation, to news. Respond with love, always. Your connection to your higher self is paramount. When you are constantly aligned to your higher self, your discernment is strong. Merge with your higher self, and in doing so nothing can knock you off balance. Let alignment to your higher self be your priority. This is all we have to say for now. I am Antarel. We bid you farewell for now.